This program contains content that may not be suitable for viewers under the age of 18. Viewer discretion is advised.
Nga 14 February ku Valentine's Day ku Sheraton Gardens Kampala. Tugenda kweyagala paka kuwulira bubi. Eno ye Valentine yennyini. The Love Memories Concert ne Honorable Geoffrey Lutaya. The legendary Honorable Geoffrey Lutaya agusa mutali erabira. It is an evening of love, laughter and music. Okuyingira shinje mutwalo 15 emmezi ya milioni 3 nga 15 ali ku Brado Hotel Mukono mutwalo gumu. Kura mkaga Maria Frema Saka emitwalo 2 abiri mu February. Darena Zekawanda abiri mu bili chotera Kasambia omutwalo gumu abiri mu Saturday City Mtiana omutwalo gumu. Ono ye Uganda's music legendary Afro pop soft voice writer ebyana muliyete. The Love Memories Concert ku Sheraton Gardens Kampala ne Honorable Geoffrey Lutaya ku Valentine chechivulu kyokka mu Kampala biwagidwa I&M Bank Tanyuka TV Ntake Super Cooking Oil
paka last time achindi
ne MTN.
Together we're unstoppable.
Next generation kanaki kwa bigambo nga yemfubutuka bingi. So ndoze embeera yeeyo Shalom odo tukkiriza tukole oba interview yagala gibeeramu ogenda gibaamu ati this guy has a crush on you. Do you know that?
No, I don't know.
Oja negwe Gloria omulabyeko ng'ayimiridde ayimiridde wali okumpa hug. There's a question I want to ask you. But you won't be offended?
She won't.
I will. Chisinzira.
Oba you'll tell me, okay, if you feel offended, you say I won't answer that.
Yeah.
Okay? Kuba manyi kati mguno omulembe gwe tulimu tetumanyi abakyala batugamba tetumanyi ebibuuzo by'olina mubuuza na by'otayina. So when you were standing up, that thing is like
A switch.
Kati ne beevuga.
Okay.
Naye bino byonna obirekako byaki wifi data yennyini VPN ono airdrop bigyeko mukwano asooka bigyeko amasoko bigyeko. It hurts my mind olaba ne bano nsiba nnyomba nabo benkola nabo. Why do you live on the wifi? The airdrop, you know, everything like it's supposed to be like this. Ochirabye off unless you want to use it. No zo ochiraba.
Just silent, yes.
Silent. Okay, entera akaawo. Esimu yonno gye tugenda okukozesa okubala obudde.
Oh, okay.
So kati gikole giteekewo ng'eri upward. Wait. No. Not that. Just like that. Just like that. So, okay. Soko jangu tutandike. Mbaveeka abo. Mutyaba jangu nkole welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. Ndi ne Gloria Bugie.
Welcome to my school. We want to show you all the ways we learn and how our teachers make it fun. We get to do art projects and even design things with our own ideas.
This hands-on learning has given me confidence and skills that I can actually use in real life.
In science, we don't just sit and listen, we get to be part of the lesson.
At my school, I love playing football and learning about teamwork.
I love that we get to be creative in the kitchen and skills I can use at home.
We love to see what these young minds come up with. Every day we set aside time for Imagination Hour.
It's amazing seeing their talents shine.
And most of all, it's fun.
Our school isn't just a place to learn facts. It's a place where we learn how to be creative, work together, and have fun while learning. Cradleland Schools, nurture to greater heights.
I got to learn about the Powerball through the website www.nationallottery.go.ug. I played at Banana Life inside Acacia Mall. I played Powerball tickets worth 5,000, used an option of Quick Pick, and that's how I was able to be the lucky one to win 35 million. I checked my tickets online and I found out that I had winning numbers. The feeling was incredible. and full of excitement. I would advise everyone who is 18 and above that whatever you're seeing here exemplifies reality. And I want to take this opportunity to thank Uganda National Lottery and Banana Life for bringing us this opportunity to win millions.
Uganda National Lottery. Dream, play, win.
Ruzungu kade Kasuku tujikole sawa namba Ruzungu.
Ruzungu tugenda muza kujere kutoka ntoku ndi mbuzi sizalisa mukazi kati ndi muto gwasa sule wange akyala abulora bababbi abakyala wale somuyomba nyembuto katonda ya chembuto genda weji waminge yabawereza buno bukeke obutini
singa babu mutwale bamusonseka mukamwa bwonna n'abufulumiza mu nnyindo
sakibwa alina guno omuggo gwa musa white star premium detergent
waliwo wanangalie munda yakasajja kasendi kalimba bannange esendi bannange. Welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. For the second time, ndine Gloria Bugie. Lwakuba abantu bakuyita Boogie. Is it Boogie or Bugie?
Bugie.
Boogie.
Bugie.
Bugie.
Waliwo Bugie. Bugie. Ni Boogie. Kati nze neita Bugie.
Bugie as in Obuji. Bugie.
No.
So,
it's Bugie,
no like in pronunciation. Like
Bugie.
Bugie.
Yes.
What does Bugie mean?
Bugie is a short form of my name, Businja Gloria.
Oh.
But also to mean bougie. Though I don't want to call myself bougie, so I localized it.
Okay, as in bougie. Bougie in sort of who is posh.
Yes.
Yeah, so
expensive.
That is yes, that's bougie.
Yes. Elegant,
yeah. Bougie is French.
Yeah.
So Nanti Gojita Bougie.
Nze nanti nayagala kibere bougie instead of bougie because everyone knows the word.
So you wanted your name Businje Gloria but expensively.
Yeah.
Na ate linya lisigalewo. Okay. Well, welcome.
Thank you.
Your words are soft, eh?
Yeah.
You're just a simple girl. But you're just simple. Like you don't over make up, you to exaggerating anjala mpamvu nnyo beziti. You just, only natural. So chebani nyagala kubuuza wali bo yimiridde. Do you wear a camel toe?
What?
A camel toe.
What's that?
Camel toe bobeera buntu kati okambala n'okateeka wano ku animal. So that as you move, people think it's big.
I've never heard of that. I'm all natural, sina benyambala. From head to toe, I'm natural.
Okay. So what I saw is the natural camel toe.
Yes.
Wow. You're bougie. Not bougie. You're Gloria Bugie. I mean, it is what it is. So, today, ndine Gloria Bugie. Wava Gloria. Last time twakola interview, but I never got to ask you, wavawa. From that interview that day we did to today, the things that have happened to you, I need to be asking, wavawa.
Heaven sent.
Okay. So before you became a star, you were in heaven. You're being for real.
Yeah. Kama yansindikanga kirabo eri abana Uganda.
Yeah? Wow. Naye gwe kati kankubuzeeyo Gloria, like that is your voice, but oyogera.
Yes.
On every day.
Yeah.
Wow. It's one of those days where yeah, naye kirungi kyenjagadde mu byonna byokola. Music yabaddewo kuba tufunye wano abaana ne batubonyaabonya. Nga she has the looks, the body. Naye you ask her, what are you famous for? What is your claim to fame? Nga tekiriiwo. So at least we can say Gloria Bugie omuyimbi.
Yeah.
Banchawa. Luli watu wako ya interview akaimba kari wako.
Yeah. Yeah, keko. Kaba keko. Kaba nice nakata.
Waina ruyimba chi. Okay, kati tugenda kuogera nnyo music. Tusoke to some of your songs. Ndoza Banchawa lero sinza okuhitinga.
Yeah, Nyash. Ne waliwo endala hit.
Nyash ye Banchawa.
Ye Banchawa, yes.
Nyash lugenda ayagala Nyash.
Atalina Nyash. Luyimba lwerumu.
Kati Is that so? Yeah. Because this one sounds like it goes a bit not like the other one. Banchawa ba. Bamenya mutima ba.
Bamenya mutima ba. Banjiba. Banfumita mutima ba. Baguyuza. Nakujenjogerako. Terete wachikumi kuchinacho. Atalina Nyash. Awe chijira mwimba lweru.
Otekawo. Atalina Nyash. Nyash. So, but that is your voice.
Yeah, nina malobozi manji musically. Just nyimbidemu eyo kia waggulu.
Nanti yojo yimbiramu. Because Sandy yali amboza naye Kasuku eri dobozi yoyo mwana. You sing, we know like you talk like a baby. You guys, how are you? Like toina bizibu.
Wentyo.
In a special way, this interview is dedicated to you, Bwana Eddie Sandy. Could you just blow him a flying kiss? No, like, yeah? Or mukade wa from today. Ngale tubale tuagala kuchaza kutoka and talk show. Tuagala kuchaza kutoka and talk show.
Msanyufu, maybe jaji buwelao.
Sandy is one of your biggest fans.
Really?
He keeps wondering, this chick is for real?
Hi, Sandy.
Sandy onoga adisakolako. So, today ochari kugundi ku management y'abali abasajja Konde Villa.
Konde Villa? Konde Villa tebanga ko management.
Anti ne guy waabwe omu ye yali manager wo.
Ekyo sikimanyiiko naye management yange bagiyita Hit Boss Management.
Since when?
Ever since when atandikira.
Really?
Yes.
Esimu yange lwakuba eri wali. There is a guy
called Brian Promoter.
Omugagga akuteekamu yani.
Hit Boss Management.
No, what his actual name?
Brian Promoter.
Yateekamu sente?
Yes.
Okay. Ndowooza ye muganda wa Konde Villa. Anti nze namusevinga mu Konde Villa we namusanga. Konde Villa ogimanyi? Balinga wano munyonyaawo nga ku mawanga awo we balinga aliwo ekizimbe wa Kings Mall oba eri awo we babeeranga we namusanga ndowooza kwe kumusevinga mu Konde Villa. So bulijjo mmanyi Konde Villa we bakuteekamu sente.
That it is Hit Boss Management. Ero Julia mu buli lwimba lwenkola yesooka.
So now we had Banchawa.
Yeah.
Then
Nina aliwa ne John Black. Nalo luhitinze balukomeza luhitinga ku luli mutambula ku
lutambula lutya
balitwani aliwa akuliko ludayo yawo. Mazima. Then wabao Simi my single. Nalo lwatambula nnyo. Ombuza hits oba enyimba zenina.
Your songs, yes.
Kati right now I've been in the industry for like 1 year. I think peze nyimba 10.
You've been here 1 year?
Yeah.
Only?
Yes.
What's that song you did with Apas?
Baluita Sagala. Sagala kuvao, woli.
Okay.
Nine years since okuhitinga lulimo 1.3 in 3 months.
1.3 million views on YouTube.
Yeah.
Wow. You're doing all this under a year.
Yeah. Come on, man. All thanks to my fans.
You're making big strides musically. So the latest project is what?
My latest song is called Panama.
Panama.
It is a single.
But I just want to know, how is your normal day like for you?
My normal day?
Because for starters, I'm shocked you're here. Yes. Most people will be like, Kasuku, today is a Monday, I can't. Yes, so I'm shocked you're here. That is one. Two, I'm shocked you kept checking on me. Like, is our appointment still on? That was yesterday. Even today when you got here before me, you know? Like, I'm that big. You know, we encounter people who feel like I'm big. Because right now, industry, you could take, or you know, could take. So we could feel like you have all the airs, and you know, it all even nakusanga nenganchi why ngato champereza ku message. Ndiwa leo manyo kuomboza ako. How are you, Kasuku?
I think nze nganzo FM tejja kunchusa cause you stay the same person whether you're ochuka oba tochuka ojasigala nga when oli muntu nga abalala era ojja kufa. Yeah, there's some things that can't change me like fame. That's me personally.
Do you have friends?
Yeah, I do.
Like lots of them?
I do, but not like very close. I'm friends with many people. I like many people, talk to many people, smile with many people. Not either too back close in you.
Why?
Just nerekirame your gap, because when you and you're attached to you get disappointed. So chiba better no become no gap here.
No, and like you have you had an instance that has pushed you that direction?
Yeah. You all know what happened to me like 3 months ago. Yeah.
Oh, that was your friend?
Ex.
Oh, who did that? Oh wow. But people are happy, by the way.
About what?
About that? No,
it's not a good thing.
I know. For you may feel it's not a good thing. But how do you think we could have seen what we saw? Man. No. But don't feel bad about it, by the way. Yeah, I know. You know, sometimes it's okay for you to embrace what happened so that you move on from it. Yes. And we have seen things and we are like, fuck, what's that? But we saw your stuff and we were like, God, that's it. That's the ish. I know you didn't want us to talk about this. Just for because we had discussions. We replayed videos and I said to myself, one day when I see you, please
don't ask.
This part the intention was what? Akantu ako kamove ako twake kane zenesendi twakebuuza nnyo nti exactly chiche kyali kigenda. I'm just asking. It's the only thing I'm going to ask you about that incident. Choka because ebisigadde, by the way, unlike so many people who felt they had to bash you, what, I was happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, I saw something great. I was like, Mochitegedde kyengamba. Kati ako kaka, you know, omayifala nyingeyo bebijja kati gwe linako ebyomulala binafuluma. Nja kuyita ojje. Tufuneyo tutuula tubinyomyeko nga tetuli mu kamera. Nkulage bye tukola. Soka nokakwata mos. No zooming anoga. Yatukoza atya wano. But yeah, you wax well. Okay.
Too late.
No, I'm just saying, like, I'm just saying.
Let's talk about Panama. Do you know my latest song?
Yeah, your latest. We are coming there, Panama. So, guys, there is a latest song, Panama. You can stream it on
YouTube, all platforms, Apple Music, Spotify, one.
Generally.
You just search Gloria Bugie in all phone.
Yeah. So, going back to
Going back to my music, what's your favorite song of mine?
Banchawa. Yeah, I love that song. Nebwoma nti nakulabako oba wali oyimba buloba oba bulenga. Wali yimbyako ku PTC e bulenga. Nina we nakulaba oyimba nga abantu bagwa. Nengamba, am I seeing this? By the way, Gloria, I'm one of your fans silently eno mbeerayo. Nze nkuwagira nakulaba wali kati nzola
abantu bagamba bulijjo mbagamba nyimba abantu ne bakaba
okuyimba oyimba sebo oyimba
nabalabanga
bagwa akafo nga kakutte beekati n'ojjamu n'engatto
bulijjo bawakana baba bagambye
negamba naye kamaanyi kyoba omanya ng'ekintu kikoledde kikutta omuliro waggulu beekiti okitegeera naye katusoke tudde ewali kalya ako akantu ke wakola bwot n'oteekayo omukono n'emabega kali kategeeza ki my blazer okay tujja byogerako after that. So you have a new single, by the way, on a much more serious note. You know nze tebalukwate copyright wano mwalutaddeyo ku YouTube tolina video temunakola video bajjadde okwata copyright
andukubiramu katono olabe quality gyendese
walukoleddewa walukoleddewa
wano mu Uganda
no,
produced by Uncle Ronnie, written by me and Uncle Ronnie.
Uncle Ronnie ono wagondi wa NBS
Uncle Ronnie producer
watch omuyita Uncle Ronnie. Your voice is like, by the way, your voice is like for that woman who sang Nairobi. You know her?
Mbila, is it?
Yeah. Your voice is like that for that woman.
It is
just
called
exactly
a coastal voice. People say I sing like Saida Kaloli, but Tanzania or Zuchu. Like, seriously, it is called a coastal voice.
Gloria, don't you pick up your agenda cheese?
I know, I'm not gonna go out there and embed the voice.
See, na madness have a choco pikachi in the kere. Ogenda chiyoriza wano. But it's good. It's good to know, by the way. At least you even know the type of voice you have. Yeah. Naked just so you need to pitch your voice further.
Like how?
Yeah, it feels a bit low, even when you're singing. Yes, you like the strength in it. Can you sing? Yeah. With that same energy she did, please.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, da da, yeah, da 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 da. Singing lyrics.
So like you see like the amanyi gamba gaveno from the pipes, so that you project your voice.
But
Olaba Gloria.
I do that like on stage in studio if I have to nga nyino kuba more audible. Omanyi bivaringa bine bya music waliwo uyimba mulo settled voice, like a settled voice, then waliwo oganamuko just mama na Uganda mwamanyira nnyo mwamanyira nti buli muyimbe bw'aba nnyo audible oyo amanyi oyimba.
Si kyengamba
stage just kyemwamanyira omuyimbi abeeri naawogana hey naawogana.
You've seen what you've done. You've seen what you've done there. That's what your voice is supposed to be.
No.
So you mean I can ask Irene Nambiru that throw me a cappella and she can go like baby just like that.
Eddoboozi lye liri deep okimanyi ekyo really deep eryange teriri deep, it's more of a high voice, high key voice. Yeah, really deep new.
I'm not about the high voice. I'm about the audibility.
I can be audible.
That's what I was saying. And kachemba dengamba ali nti bowulira yancheke change binye masarame.
Okay. Va nchawa va. Bankole bichamu va. Atalina nyash.
Yes.
Like that?
That's what I was trying to say. Chema newe dangezaako okwagala okujjamu. I wanted you, that's why I was asking you. Simaya nakikubuuziza nti do you oleekaana, do you talk loudly?
Yes, I do.
Bw'oba oyomba osobola okuyoma n'omuntu?
No, nanti zedi mumeja siyomba. So kati ndwawo okuleekaana era mbikola ku stage wokka. I'm a princess.
Lekera awo ebintu by'ekisiro.
Mazima. Simanyi kuyomba stera kulekana. Era wengenda ku voice out when training okulekana ngamba kati you have to be very loud like people to hear me. But naturally I'm not a loud person. That's why people wonder, is that her voice? That's how I talk. Yeah.
Okay. So Panama, I've seen the video. Looks good. Mwagitaddemu ssente.
Quality, everything. Hit boss, Gloria Bugie producing quality. Audio quality, video quality. Have bigger goals. I want to represent Uganda. Waweruwa Uganda, waweruwa Africa. Ngabana abana bato, new generation, we have to do bigger things. Bano ba Ira, ba Laces, Grammys, ba Thames for their countries. Those are the goals.
You want to go international? You want to go
No,
international?
I want to make Uganda international, musically.
Not you.
If I'm
like,
international,
do you want to go international?
Yes. No, if I'm international, Uganda is international.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have...
Just like Bakipro teach you about food day international. Now, musically, I want to be part of that. I want to make Uganda international, musically.
So you're harboring dreams of a Grammy, right?
Yeah. Grammys and more.
At some point, you want to win a Grammy. Okay. So with currently the musicians on the market, I go to Yanogamba. I think that is my admiration.
Musically?
Yes.
Tewali.
Toina go Gomba.
Musically?
World over.
Eche?
Not just here. Yeah. Because here we have you. Tukuyina gwe. Oyimba.
Gwe negoma mu Uganda.
Like world over gwe gomba. Mubayimbi oba musajja oba mukazi. Like what we could say, who is your favorite musician right now? Go to Nuria ne wegomba like
where?
Yeah.
Munsi yonna.
Munsi yonna.
Banji. Chris Brown. Tyler.
Tyler is the one. Make me sweat. Make me high.
At high young age, let's say Grammys. I could say all the things I dream of. Yeah.
How old is she?
I think she's about 21.
And you
I'm
are?
not sure.
You're 21.
So what age young ujakaza?
You see.
Nakaweza 20.
Oh, wow. You're still young. Your future is bright out there.
Amen.
Okay, now so that explains the question I wanted to ask you. You know, ideally, you feel like you look like someone who doesn't care. You're like you're in your own world. Not even just by the way you look. There's a way you go like, you know, it feels more like, babe, I gotta do my thing. Do you sit down and think like, I have people watching me, I have people following me, or it's not your business?
I do. I care about my fans, but also I don't give up about the negativity, the team on uncle. Smanya, you get the chinobachi, I don't care. But I do care about everyone who loves me, my fans, my followers. At a certain point, I don't care. And the bigger points, I care. Chisinzira kuchi. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I saw you at Epas's show. For starters, why didn't you sing at Epas's show?
At Epas's show, najja kumwagira ng'omuyimbi. Yeah, najja kumwagira ng'omuyimbi. Besides, naisanga kuyimba. Ngenda kumwagira ng'omuyimbi. Let's normalize okuwagira abayimbi bannaffe nga tozze kuyimba oba kuyisaawo bibyo.
So let's talk.
Welcome to my school. We want to show you all the ways we learn and how our teachers make it fun. We get to do art projects and even design things with our own ideas.
This hands-on learning has given me confidence and skills that I can actually use in real life.
In science, we don't just sit and listen, we get to be part of the lesson.
At my school, I love playing football and learning about teamwork.
I love that we get to be creative in the kitchen and skills I can use at home.
We love to see what these young minds come up with. Every day we set aside time for Imagination Hour.
It's amazing seeing their talents shine.
And most of all, it's fun.
Our school isn't just a place to learn facts. It's a place where we learn how to be creative, work together, and have fun while learning. Cradleland Schools, nurture to greater heights.
Let's talk about that dress. Was good. I
was designed by Kampala Costumes.
Kampala Costumes.
Yeah.
So, Kati, when you put on a dress like that one that has a slit, a venom, chiwato, nekirira, neno, do you wear something like a bodysuit inside there, and it's like the color of your body? It's not like you're naked.
Bambi Nalinya, I was dressed, I wasn't naked. People think.
No, I saw you trying to. I don't know what had happened here. Ngogezako nyo kwata wano. But you saw that video of yourself on the internet? Yeah. So I make me understand. Do women be naked? Like when they come on the red carpet, they're like naked. And this is the pure thigh, or they put on bodysuits?
I was dressed up. That part that was like nude.
Yeah.
It's transparent. No, not transparent. Rali lugoyenga kwaliko lugoye nenga color yemu ya body. Like bajita, that color bajita nude. Chenga wembala socks. Ningefana wano kumubiri.
Body socks.
Yes,
nazifana no mubiri. Oh. Hanali ntidde nenga. It is what it is. So that's good to know. When I call a red carpet, you're like, well, guys, it is what it is. That's why I was asking you, like, do you sit down to care about people seeing you or what they say, what? Because you were in your own world. You had come for a person's show, and your face read, I'm here to have a good time.
Exactly.
What you think is none of your business.
Exactly. And I believe I was very decent. The dress was very long. I don't usually wear long dresses.
Stop it.
Really?
Yeah.
Didn't you like the dress?
I liked the dress. Well, for so many other reasons. But
it was a very long dress.
Yes, it was. But you see, a long dress that reveals stuff is more like.
Maybe next time nyambale gomez kwa biche nyambala bachina ko obuzi.
Ate gomez tetujja nnyumirwa. Tetujja kusobola kunyumirwa bye twagala kulaba ku red carpet. Kati awe wali soke tetukuyinaako obuzibu walabye yakubira essimu nti wayambadde bubi. So we have no problem. Don't change a winning formula. Tujikwatako. Don't change your winning formula. I'm actually surprised you're this enthusiastic about music. Yeah. Yeah, it feels like, sometimes you're like, those rich kids of where? Or one of those posh cities who are just doing that. Then daddy says, go and sing. That's the impression you give out there.
Let me correct that. I'm not a rich kid. I'm not a planned kid. Sivamo family planned. I'm a hustler. I've been hustling before joining my management.
Since you've been hustling since you were like 22. Ngomaze University.
22 wait, I'm 20.
Oh, okay.
Yo, Siva family ngaga, but I'm working hard okufula wembe wagaga, yes.
Family,
I give the wrong impression.
But it's always good. It's omuna Uganda ne fitina ye inamukwatira awo. Alumwe. Tokkiriza bana Uganda kulowooza nti oli bubi. Balina fitina.
Bale ndi bubi,
Kati awo ate munaye bonna obitandika ebyo biraba tebagenda kuwagira. Kati gorede balina we bakulabira. Mama n'okoggako awo. Oho. Oyinza owulira ebigambo ffe twakulabirawo.
Ninga banna dress code esobola okyuka depending on where I'm going. Wambuukira ku mukologo, ku mbaga, oba Kwanjula, bajja kwambala gomesi.
Oyimba embaga n'okwanjula.
Bede sinatandika naye kichenjogerako dress code ekyuka temugitya nnyo. Bansobola kwambala gomesi, nyambala ekiteeteeyi kiwanvu kibisse buli wamu.
So how are the gigs? Are they coming in?
Yeah, they're coming in. I'm fully booked. Temujoko, keep booking. Gloria Bugie, thank you guys. I love you so much, my fans.
Kati agalo kubooking akola atya? Akubira ani?
akuba ku namba ya management, Hitboss management, kweri kumitimbagano jange jonna, all social media platforms kuliko enamba eyo.
Gitusomere wano. Nze njagala oyitewo Gloria.
It is
0762 22 89 53. Ye 0762 22 89 53. Ya manager.
Hitboss manager.
Tokuba notandika hello baby. Omumwe mutambulira ne sabuni. Ojaloza mbu yagendo gikwata ayogere. Hi. Osumulukukero manager. Sabuni wajja kuwononekera ku manager. Ne muggulu bakucharging ebisiyaga. Because how do you use soap on a man? Yes, that's the truth. So, it is not how on the phone. It's going to be the manager.
Yeah, Hitboss management.
Hitboss management. She has a new song, Panama. Yeah, you can go and check it out. Boruwuliro jabanga awulira Saida Kalori nga ayimba, she has elements of that. Noli omukyala ye mbiri yambera. Something like she's, she has a unique voice that of course we're trying to appreciate mpola, and yeah, it's a nice thing, and then she also knows the music. Abantu abasinga tuli nabo naye nga nebyakola tabitegeera kati eno ye breed y'abaana bano abaana abapya abazze akukubira muntunula endabika omubiri ate n'endongo nayo nakubirayo nteseza bubi ndowooza okirabye. So that's Gloria Bugie for you. She says she has a dream of bringing a Grammy home and taking Uganda,
representing Uganda musically worldwide, international.
Kintu akiwanike akiguseeyo lwakuba kali akantu aganyo kanyinyonnyola saakategeera nali nsuubiza mukadde waffe Diriisa nga mwaye lwe naakulaba onoka oba we do off camera. Tukole off camera? Shall we talk about it off camera?
Okay, to see
tukyakola twakatandika interview. Okay. Yes, let's talk about the LV. Is it original?
Yeah.
Yavawa.
I bought it from China.
Wagenda ne China? Ngogeze yimba? Wali ogeze ku mirimu gyo,
Holiday. Omwaka gugwawo naye ngenze ku holiday kuwummulamu.
Ani yakutwala China? Hitboss management?
Yes.
Ba Champions League. UEFA Champions League ogimanyi?
Njiwulira naye by'emipiira sibimanyi nnyo.
Ekyo kye mbadde nkugamba. You went to China, of all places, to go on holiday. How many hours is it from here to China?
Shopping.
So you bought this in China, positive, but don't remember China secretary original China.
Original.
China wali ekiri original?
Yes.
Abola abantu wale COVID. Ate ne bamutuweera mu diopo eyasooka yali waabo. Ono gwe baleeta eno yali akkakkanyeemukko. So it's an original LV, eh?
Yeah.
Did you go to the Great Wall of China?
No.
Kati awo yali wali ogenze ku holiday ki?
Yeah, before when again China nene in big cities like how many?
You went to the beach?
Zonna zigendako you fly.
So you were in transit from here to there, transit. Wow. Which other places have you been to?
There are many.
We have China. Have you been to Zanzibar?
Yeah.
Zanzibar. Have you been to Dubai? Dubai, side in Atlantis here, what you?
Well, wow.
Dubai, what the side is?
I've been to Dubai, the town, the city. Yes.
Wali mu city? Zino zi Khalifa biki ebyo biwanvu ebityo. Baji Khalifa, Burj Khalifa. So we have China, we have Zanzibar, we have Dubai. Which place in Europe have you been to?
Not yet.
You have not gone to Europe?
Yeah.
Oh.
Next is Panama. Jenaimbako.
Ogenda gende Panama. Huh?
Panama is a beautiful country. I want to visit it.
You want to visit it?
Since I sang about it, yeah.
Wow. Okitegedde gwe atulaba. You get it? Oba nkikunnyonnyole. Hey, yes. Mpola.
Church. What do you mean? What does that mean?
Nti bakategedde. Abana bayita byo bakitegedde. So abantu abali auto nalala kati muganda nge Jose Jobs Link ne Richmond omwana wuuno wano abantu be UK bongedde omwagala ate lwajja UK nze nzijanga manager kuba nze mbadde nja kukulambuza ebifo mu UK. Yes. Bagada ffe aba Yuna conversion Mbabazi omwana wuuno abantu America bongedde okwagala ennyimba ze. Okitegeera buli
texting mu DMs bambuza ojjadde mu Europe UK ojjadde nga mbagamba booking.
Abantu bakubuuza mu DMs zo.
Instagram, TikTok.
Nti when do you have plans of coming to the US?
Yeah.
So abayuna omwana wuuyo awe walala wetayogedde Europe. Hey, omwana muteko ayinako akayimba ke kenjagala banjawa bamenya omutima a very 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 sweet song ndwagala nnyo.
Oyagala nnyo Nyash.
Kitegeeza ki? Kitegeeza ki?
Omuntu kitegeeza Nyash. Oyagala bakazi wa Nyash oba otalina?
Nze engeri gye sitalina lusuku nti nina wembalima. Nti nja genda nnyonjo owakabino oba atalina. Yeah, I'm a free guy. I'm free life. Yeah, what comes my way is what I deal with in every way possible. But I'm a married man. Yeah. You so? Onojja n'oyimba ku mukolo gwange.
Yeah. Why not?
Ogenda tuyimbira kayimba ki?
Nja kuyimbira za love. Za love nzirina nyingi. Simi yo. Goba lumya jira tubune midigido. Tell me, muze mukazi wo. It's a big hustle balago ubonero. My baby bujukana, hold you tight. Teguzikira otari urumva. Kulinzo jo maleo ziriemva. I'm a pretty girl with a biggie bum.
Awo nga nze nkola ki? Nkola kyakuwuubira ku bantu nti. Ng'abantu mbawuubirako buwuubizi bw'enti. Banaye abanajja ku mukolo omuyimbi asooka omuyimbi owokubiri. Asooka ye David Lutalo yaŋŋamba okwanjula ne kumala kubaawo n'otaŋŋamba. Kasuku nkuyoola.
Kadinzo okwanjula ngenda ziyimba ngenda zita.
Oyinayo n'ez'okwanjula?
Ngenda zita.
Ki ekizikuteesa amangu? Ki ekikuteesa amangu?
Kusange nga
omukolo gusange nga pulaani yabadde ki? Tuvugire ku pulaani yo badde osuubira zitanga ddi?
Guno omwaka nina obbawa zonna ez'embaga ez'okwanjula ez'omukwano ez'okwekyawa byonna ngenda bbawa.
Oyogedde ku kwekyawa kati omusajja mwamala ne mwekyawa oli gw'ogambye the idiot. So you're single now?
Yeah.
Wow.
Single and not searching.
Lekerawo ebyekisiru.
I'm not searching.
Lekerawo ebyekisiru tobiddamu.
I'm focusing on my career.
On your career.
I'm not searching.
20-year-old Gloria Bugie.
Yeah.
AKA Bugie. Hey. Gwe tubadde naye olunaku olwaleero.
Nonda.
Wa.
I was nominated in 3 categories.
Of?
In Galaxy Zina Awards.
Zina Awards.
Contemporary Song of the Year, Nyash.
Nyash. Olulima baluyita Nyash si bankyawa.
Baluyita Nyash. Best Afrobeat Song, Simi.
Simi lweno lwobadde oyimba.
Then Breakthrough Artist of the Year.
Hey, Breakthrough Artist of the Year limu nani?
Simani.
etoyagala bogerako oyagala kuba kuggo. So abanange, let's vote Gloria Bugie more breakthrough artist of the year in the Zina Awards. Zina ziriyo this month.
Yeah, 13th February okulonda kundoza kugwako banga 10.
13th February next week.
Yeah.
Egenda kubeera wa?
Ndoza location tebanagiteeka ku simanyi.
Nandikuwerekeddeko bambi. Netugenda nti Kimaya award eyo. Ziri ssatu. Zonna tosobola ziwangula zonna. Leka kulowoolesa bantu nti onoofuuka mulungi omu. Bakuweeko ng'emu. Bakuweeyo emu. Bakuwe eya contemporary song Nyash. Kuba abantu beeyongedde okwagala amabina mu kibuga Kampala. Bannaye amabina gaakutte wansi ne waggulu.
Simi, my Afrobeat song was recognized by Afrima.
Afrima.
Yellow posting. Yes.
Yellow posting. Oyinayo mukwano gwo mu Afrima?
No, tewali n'omu. Just good music. Good music yeeyogerera. Good music yeeyogerera bannaye.
Kituufu. So, Simi, best contemporary?
No. Best contemporary song
Nyash. Awe tusinga okwagala amaanyi. Tetwagala muntu awangule luyimbo contemporary single. Oje muwa atalina kabina award eyo. Tujja yisibwa bobi. Abantu mu Kampala beeyongedde okwagala amabina. So, genda ku website ya Galaxy Simayi bwe balonda naye ndowooza ku website yaabwe.
Waliyo link ku mitimbagano gyabwe.
Oteeke ogende olabe link eyo ovotinge best contemporary single Nyash by Gloria Bugie.
Yep.
Eyo gye tusinga okwagala eyo.
Then best
tofiirako ku zonna.
Beat song.
Abannayuganda ogenda baleetera okuzimba omutima.
Muyimbi kyakusingidde mu bayimbi abapya for new generation breakthrough artist. Obojiwani otajiwansi.
For last year?
Obojiwani. What ojiwa dance.
Breakthrough artist 2024. And the winner is Gloria Bugie. Eyo nayo mugimu tuba tuyiseewo. Alagana bajjaga nti twagaliza. Naye ezo bbiri zo eriyo okusatu yeeriwa?
Best Afrobeat song Simi.
Simi sirumanyi nnyo.
Kyemmanyi wendukubira olumanyi wali oluwulidde.
Eyo gikkiriza egende. Tubeere ku zino ebbiri. Abantu tunyiigira. Abantu bagenda tunyiigira alooze buli kimu ffe tukyagala.
Tukigwana banaye tukikoleredde.
Naye tukikoleredde. Kale. Ako kalya tusooke tumalirize ne kali akantu. That bend and cover with the hand. Kyali ki? Kitunyonyo kategeeza ki tukafunira erinnya. Naawe tuyambeko nze nkuwadde chance wano wonna ewalala kanyinyonnyolaako kokka. Yamba nze nyamba.
Kasuku ndeka.
Anyway.
Wow.
Byebyo. My dear friend Gloria Bugie, gwe tubadde naye olunaku olwaleero abantu balaze ka fashion luli wakabalaga.
Kati nakula.
Kale mubeere bulungi mweraba.
The views expressed on Kasuku Live do not reflect those of the host, producers, or management. They are solely of individuals providing them and do not represent or reflect the official policy or position of this YouTube channel.
Sizalisa mukazi kati ndi muto gwasasula ewange. Abakyala abo boolaba babbi. Abakyala
wereso omuyomba enyembuto katonda yekyembuto genda wegiwaminge
yabaweereza buno bukeeke obutini
singa baabumutwale bamumusonseka mu kamwa bwonna n'abufulumiza mu nnyindo.
Kibwa alina guno omuggo gwa Musa wayitista premium detergent.
Waliwo wanangaali ebola y'akasajja kasendi kalimba bannaye. Esendi bannaye.